Hi, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to make high voltage arc lighter. So for making the arc lighter you need one IRFZ44 and MOSFET, a flyback transformer from the old LCD lamp card, this one, and one k resistor. I am using the 910 ohm. You can also use 1 k resistor. So let's start. Now this is the primary side of the transformer. There are two pins. It's a right pin, center pin and left pin, and this is the secondary coil section. So first of all you have to solder the drain pin of the MOSFET to the corner left pin of the transformer. Now take the resistor and connect it between the right corner pin of the transformer and to the gate pin of the MOSFET. Resistor between the left corner pin of the primary coil and to the gate of the MOSFET. Now the negative input to the source pin of the MOSFET, and the positive pin to the center of the primary coil. Connect the switch between it. Now the circuit is done. The wire is connected to the push button. Now you need a 5 volt input power supply. This is the button. See these beautiful arcs. Let's burn some paper with it. So this is simple. If you have any questions you can ask me in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.